Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about top free virtual data room software. Introduction. A VDR is a secure online repository where business can store and share confidential documents. VDRs are often used for high-stake transactions such as merger and acquisitions, due diligence, and fundraising. However, VDR can also be used for a variety of other purposes such as project management, litigation, and real estate transactions. In this video, we're going to discuss the top 3 free VDR software options. Ideals is a leading video provider of VDR software. It is a free plan that includes 1 GB of storage up to 10 users. The free plan includes basic features such as document management, access control, activity tracking. SecureDocs is another leading provider of VDR software. It offers a free plan that includes 10 GB of the storage and up to 10 users. The free plan also includes basic features such as document management, access control, and activity tracking. Critic ShareFile is a popular file sharing services that also offer VDR features. The free plan includes 10 GB of storage and up to 10 users. The free plan also includes basic features such as document management, access control, and activity tracking. Comparison of the top free VDR software options. Additional benefits of free VDR software. In addition to these features listed above, free VDR software can also offer a number of other benefits such as convenience. Free VDR software is easy to use, can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Security. Free VDR software offers robust security features to protect your confidential documents. Control. Free VDR software allows you to control who has access to your documents and what permission they have. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when choosing a free VDR software. Storage and user limits. Free VDR software typically has a storage and user limits. Make sure to choose a VDR software that offers enough storage and user your needs. Features. Free VDR software typically offers fewer features than paid VDR software. However, most free VDR software offer basic features such as document management, access control, and activity tracking. Integrations. Free VDR software typically offers a fewer integration than paid VDR software. However, some free VDR software offers integration with popular systems such as CRM and ERP system. Customer support. Free VDR software typically offers less customer support than paid VDR software. However, most free VDR software offers some of the form of customer support such as email support or knowledge base. Reputation. Choose a free VDR software from a reputable company you can. In conclusion, free VDR software is a great option for businesses that need a secure and easy to use way to share confidential documents. The top 3 free VDR software optionals are Ideal, SecureDocs, and Critics ShareFiles. I recommend that you compare the features and pricing of different VDR provider softwares before making a decision. You should also read reviews of different free VDR software options to get an idea of what other users think of the software and the company behind it. That's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.